Yeah, hello, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rives, the co-founder of Fando Technology Company. Yeah, so I want to break the secrets to you. Do you know the reason why most West African YouTubers react badly to Ayamare and his family's video? You don't know. Today, I want to break the secrets to you. Most West African YouTubers hate Ayamare or dislike Ayamare because of wodemaya. I'm not here to compare them or something like that, but I think most of West African YouTubers are in love with wodemaya, and they think Ayamare and wodemaya are in some competition. So the best way for them to do is to hate Ayamare so that they will show their support to wodemaya. I know a lot of people will come at me, but I'm just saying the truth because I've seen a lot of comments. Yeah, people were saying like Ayamare insulted wodemaya and Miss Trudy or something like that. Yeah, and they also Ayamare needs to apologize to wodemaya or else they will react badly to his videos all the time. So I know most of these West African YouTubers haven't like watched most of Ayamare's video, but they still go ahead and react to like his recent videos. Most of them don't know him, let's say personal, or they don't know what Ayamare is capable of doing it. They don't know, but all they want is let me react badly to this guy so that I'll get views, so that I'll get notice from wodemaya and things. But the thing is, that's not good. Is it a thing? That's not good. Yeah, because these people, wodemaya and Ayamare, they are two different brand doing their own thing. So if you like wodemaya, that doesn't mean you have to dislike Ayamare. So like you see a lot of West African YouTubers reacting badly to Ayamare. Meanwhile, they don't know Ayamare well, but they will still react badly to his videos because they know that Joe Ayamare is in competition with wodemaya, and we want to throw our support to wodemaya. So the best thing is let's try and jeopardize Ayamare's brand so that we will put wodemaya in upper head. Me, I like all of them, but what most of these West African YouTubers are doing is not fair. It's not fair at all, because they are all two great brands and they all need our support. We shouldn't tarnish one's image. It's not good at all. You see this thing, but a lot of people too are there to make money from it. So the best thing is let me do bad things about this guy. I know a lot of people will comment and I'll get views from it. That's no good at all. Yeah, because me, Ayamare is a great person to me, wodemaya is a great person to me, and I know like they are all doing different things. So there's no need for us to try to say like, oh, I'm in love with Ayamare, so I should insult wodemaya. I'm in love with wodemaya, so I should insult Ayamare. That's not fair. We should all be one, support them, like give them our support and things, because they all need us. But these reactors are being money greedy, like they want what they will chop, so they will try to do what like it will get them views. Like if you go to South Africa, for instance, you see that a lot of reactors in South Africa, they react badly to wodemaya. Because they have someone who also do what wodemaya is doing. So the best thing is they should support that person and try and jeopardize wodemaya's brand. And these are not like something like we should support it. Is it a thing? Because it's not good. we should all know how we support each other in our possible best. We shouldn't try and jeopardize someone's brand in order to raise someone's brand. That's not good. That's no good. So I know that the reason, because I've done my research and I've tried and reached a lot of comments, and I see that like because of wodemaya, that's why most of these West Africans hate ammarwa, dislike ammarwa. No matter the good thing he will do, they will still come and say he hasn't done anything. See, and that's not fair. And that's not fair. Yeah, and like if you see like this girl, like deemwango, so deemwango, like I don't know how to pronounce the name word, yeah, because my accent and the accent is different, yeah. Deemwango, like if you see her and his boyfriend, the way they are playing this romantic in their videos and things, like it make me feel that like yo, love is real, but you still get this reactors, they say that the love is fake. Why are you saying this love is fake? Because how, like if you want to know if someone love is real, you have to see, you have to study the chemistry between them. The chemistry between them are always on point. Always on point. Like they are the most romantic traveling couple I've ever come across on YouTube in Africa. Like how they love each other, how they support, how they travel from each other's place to their partner's place, like it's so amazing. Like, but you still get this African YouTubers reacting badly to it. That's not fair. That's not fair. If you can't support them, don't talk about them. Yeah, don't talk about them, because like the way they are playing their love life, like documenting it, like wow, it's amazing. It's amazing how like they treat each other, how they pamper each other. But we still get some West African YouTubers who will come against them, who will try like tarnish their image, and it's not good. It's not good. We have to try and condemn all these people. Like I'm not saying commentary or criticisms on YouTube is like it's bad now, but you have to know the limits you're going. You have to know the limits you're going. You have to know the limits you're going, because this like their love life is very, very good. Like how they project their love life in their videos make me even want to fall in love. It's good. We have to support this and try to promote Africa. That's the main motive of this. We have to try to promote Africa. West Africa, East Africa, North Africa, South Africa, we are all one. We are all Africans. We try and support each other, because me, like wodemaya and Mishrudi, their love life is good. Deemwango, like their love life is good. Even if you see something bad, we should know the way we will address the issue. We should know the way we will address the issue. We shouldn't like go straight to them. Like meanwhile, this like so-called YouTube creators, like their love life is boring. You see the thing, but they will still come here, like put camera in front of them and do video and condemn someone who's trying to project a good love life. And it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. If you don't like the person, don't try and condemn the person. That's not good. Because like you can watch some. Like how they share love. Oh, they is sweet. Watch that. They is sweet. But you still get people who hate them, and that's not good. We have to change our behavior. Like I'm not saying criticisms, like commentaries are not good, but you have to know the limits. you're going to that thing. Yeah. So this all I have to say. Like, if you don't like the person, don't try and connect the person. And I know most of these West Africans hate wodemaya because we hate ammarwa because of wodemaya. And wodemaya and ammarwa, they are two different brands, two different people doing different things. So, and I say, like, don't say like someone ammarwa insulted wodemaya and Mistrodi. So because of that, you want to hate ammarwa. That's not you. That's not you. So we should be good. Me, I'm always here to preach peace and unity. I don't support beef. I don't support bullying and things like nah. We should all be one. Try to project Africa on the map. That's the main motive of wodemaya and ammarwa. They are trying to project Africa on the map, and we should support that goal, projecting Africa on the map. Yeah, and it will be good. It will be good. It will be good. Yeah. So, thank you for watching me. And I know right now you know the main reason why West Africans hate wodemaya. West Africans hate ammarwa, and South Africans hate wodemaya. Yeah, but the thing is, we should all be one and support each other and project Africa to the map. Yeah, and I'm out.